What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today I have an exciting video for you. It's the 12 Days of Skatemas Roller Skate Edition. Here we go.
On the first day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the second day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 2 wraparounds and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the third day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the fourth day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the fifth day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the sixth day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the seventh day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 7 flamingo stalls, 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the 8th day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 8 180 turns, 7 flamingo stalls, 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the 9th day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 9 Maryland stalls, 8 180 turns, 7 flamingo stalls, 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the 10th day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 10 airs off the transition, 9 Maryland stalls, 8 180 turns, 7 flamingo stalls, 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the 11th day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 11 epic fails, 10 airs off the transition, 9 Maryland stalls, 8 180 turns, 7 flamingo stalls, 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kickstalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park. On the 12th day of Skatemas, the skate gods gave to me 12 basic drop-ins, 11 epic fails, 10 airs off the transition, 9 9 Maryland stalls, 8 180 turns, 7 flamingo stalls, 6 air grabs, 5 attempts at our favorite tricks, 4 donkey kicks, 3 toe-stop kick stalls, 2 wraparounds, and a cute dog who loves the skate park.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Street Skates. I hope you enjoyed the 12 days of Skatemas. Me and all the people who worked on that video are exhausted now. So I hope you have a very happy holidays. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. And until next time, later skaters.